Hello, my name is Angela Williams-Nash. I am the Technology Lead Teacher at John L. Coxley Middle School in East Orange, New Jersey. Welcome to this overview of the New Jersey Student Learning Standards, Computer Science 8.1.2, Grades K-2, Data and Analysis. Computer Science Strand 8.1.2, K-2, Data and Analysis is designed to help students better understand the use of computing systems to convey information. The main goal is to ensure that students, 1. Understand that computing systems collect, store, use, and process data. 2. Understand that computing systems can also alter data to show numbers in graphic form. For example, bar graphs, pie charts, and pictographs. 3. Provide students with real-world experiences that enable them to collect, analyze, present, and interpret data related to climate change. And 4. By the end of grade 2, students should be able to collect, store, process, and illustrate data based on a research project related to some aspect of climate change. Projects within the computer science standards focus on the impact of climate change. The following recommendations are proposed. Download the NJSLS standards and read just a strand. Do not focus on all of it at once. Just look at the material needed now. Save the rest for another day. This strand provides a great opportunity to apply math concepts taught in isolation and to use writing skills. Research age-appropriate climate change projects. If you cannot find one, consider modifying an existing project by scaling it down to something manageable for your students. Be a maverick and create one. For example, Americans throw away a lot of trash, which impacts our landfills, thereby adversely affecting our environment, which contributes to climate change. Have students investigate some aspect of trash disposal and propose solutions. 3 possible areas of investigation are: A. Have students determine how many students use plastic throwaway bottles versus reusable ones. B. Have students investigate how many students get lunch in the cafeteria and throw the food away, or how much of a meal is discarded. C. Have students determine whether or not the paper recycling program at the school is really working and propose changes if necessary. Create and display a word wall of key vocabulary words and concepts. Create pre-test and post-test. Start with simple explanations and work towards more detail. Here is one approach to scaffolding material for kindergarten and grade 1. 1. Regularly review the word wall. 2. Review the math concepts. First, counting, surveys, charts, etc. 3. Do several small projects before moving on to a larger or culminating activity. 4. End the marking period or cycle with the creation of a class artifact where the class investigates some aspect of climate change, presents their findings, then shares them with others. Maybe it's another class at the same grade level, or maybe it's parents at a school affair. Scaffolding for 2nd grade. 1. Create a pretest that focuses on vocabulary words and concepts. 2. Review the math concepts first. Items like counting, surveys, making charts, etc. 3. Introduce and demonstrate the use of a spreadsheet program like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. Basic knowledge of column and row headings, inserting data, and converting a data table to a chart will be needed. 4. Do several small projects together before moving on to a larger or culminating activity that each student should do by him or herself. 5. By the end of 2nd grade, each student should be able to create and present an artifact wherein they have investigated some aspect of climate change. The presentation can be given to another class at the same or lower grade level, or parents at a back-to-school affair. This concludes our review of the Computer Science Strand 8.1.2 K-2 Data and Analysis. I hope you are excited to be in this journey with so many other teachers throughout the state of New Jersey. Most importantly, breathe. Do not stress yourself out. You will get better with planning, practice, and time.